Hello, my name is Mrs. C, and I'm an ELL teacher at Florida Connections Academy. Today, I'm going to be going over the Unit 5 On the Move, Lesson 4, Which Liquid Flows the Fastest portfolio assignment. This is a science project that you'll complete at home and turn into your teacher for a grade. Before we begin our project, we need to gather our supplies. First, you're going to need some mustard. You'll also need some honey, some dish soap, and some ketchup. All of these supplies should hopefully be easily found in your kitchen. Once you've gathered those supplies, you're also going to need a large piece of cardboard or cardstock, thick paper. Okay, so let's see what we're doing on our project today. Which liquid flows the fastest? We are going to observe the speeds of different liquids. So number 1 says predict. Remember, that's when you make that guess based on what you already know. Which liquid will flow the fastest? Which will flow the slowest? So you're going to think about that ketchup, that mustard, that honey, and that dish soap and make predictions of which one will be fastest and which one will be slowest. Number 2 says measure. Place the same amount of liquid on each end of a sheet of cardboard. So what I did with my cardstock is I drew 4 little circles at the top that are all about the same size. That way I can make sure that I had equal amounts or really close to being the same amount of each liquid. If you put a lot of one and only a little bit of another, it could affect how quickly it travels. So you want to make sure that the sizes are about the same. Okay, let's look at number 3. Number 3 says compare. Slowly lift the edge of the cardboard. You can see the little girl lifting her cardboard here. Compare the positions of the liquids as they move. So are they moving really quickly, really fast down that cardboard? Are they still pretty much stuck in one spot and not moving very much? How are they changing position? Where are they going? Number 4 says record data. Use the chart below to record the speed of each liquid. So we have a worksheet that we're going to complete. And on that worksheet, there's a chart that you're going to fill in where you're going to tell which liquids were fast and which liquids were slow. Number 5 says infer. Why did some liquids flow faster than others? So this is where you're going to take what you've already learned and what you know, and you're going to think about the reason some liquids were faster than others. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at those directions on our worksheet again. Which liquid flows the fastest? Observe the speeds of different liquids. Here's number 1, that prediction that we were making. So you're going to make your guess before you do your project. You're going to tell which liquid will flow the fastest and which will flow the slowest. And these are just your predictions, your guesses. After that, you're going to complete the actual experiment. So you're going to squirt that mustard, squirt that dish soap, squirt that ketchup, and squirt that honey onto your cardboard or cardstock. Lift it up carefully and slowly, and then watch the liquids and see how they move and change position. Here's that chart that you're going to fill out. You're going to tell which liquids were fast. It might just be 1. It might be 3. It might be all 4. And which liquids were slow. Same thing. It could just be 1 or 2. It could be 3 or 4. You're going to record their names here. Number 5. Why do you think that happened? Why did some of the liquids flow faster than others? Then we have this bonus investigate more section. Repeat this experiment, so do the same thing over again and see if you get the same results. Maybe a different liquid will move faster next time. Maybe they'll all flow at the exact same speed. You're going to have to do the experiment 2 times and then tell your teacher if the results were the same or if they were different. All right, once you repeat that experiment 2 times, you fill out your chart, you complete your worksheet, make sure your name's at the top, upload it and turn it into your teacher, and I'm sure you'll get a really awesome grade. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.